we are here folks at IKEA Tampines. The twin is buying frame or their animation poster. Yan. So we are buying two, not only one, with different sizes. Yan. So we are here at IKEA. Ito yung mga frame nila rito. Mga frame nila. Ang biggest yata yung 61 by 91 cm. So this side is yung mga 40 by 50. Itong side na tinitignan nila is yung 50 by 70. Medyo odd size kasi yung anime poster nila folks eh. Ito naman yung mga maliliit, 30 by 40 cm. Okay, dahan-dahan. Ayan, so they already choose one pa lang. Now, sa second floor kami sa kiddie, kid section. Ayan, lalaro yung dalawa. Kid section. Okay, we are still at kids section. Nag-i-enjoy Kathleen and Danger playing. They're missing Nero. They miss Nero. Miss Nero. We are here sa mga game console. Pero ito yung we are looking for display ng mga figurine nila. This is how it looks like. I feel like the keyboard is wrong. Price is 129. Big thing.